Hey y'all, what's up? It's your boy D. Today we're going on the red team. We finna at the 4th of July, y'all.
Hold up.
Yep.
Hold up.
I didn't catch that one.
So you missed it. Stay right here. Do not go cross. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. And then you catch it. Stay right there. Put my phone on the charger.
I feel like I hear one coming.
Stay right there. Catch it going back.
I feel like one coming. I didn't see that when you said look there. Okay, this one's coming. This one's coming. This one's coming, guys. I'll catch y'all when I ain't got nothing yet. One just popped, but I missed it because I had my camera on pause. I just feel the camera. I'm trying to catch some. I'm trying to see where they gonna come. Gotta look both ways. That way. There it is. Right. Nah. I feel like there's one coming. I don't know which one. They coming over there. I feel like there's one coming over here. I don't know why. I feel like there's one coming. I don't know where. I feel like it's a firecracker coming. I try to catch that movie for y'all. At least one for y'all. I just catch one for y'all. You guys. I'll catch y'all when I can pause. Come on. I feel like it's one coming. Where? Which way is he coming, Jesus? Tell me. Yeah. What? Yeah. No doubt. Y'all better get this video for a big thumbs up. I'll do another one the next 4th of July. I see. Okay, that was tiny. Got it. Y'all see it in there? Where y'all seeing them? Where they coming from? I can't see. There's one coming over there. Fuck it. I feel like it's one coming up through here. So is it coming, Jesus? Damn, my Lord. One racing over there, one racing over there. I can hear it. Y'all hear them racing, right? They racing to get ready to pop. Hey, I got that one. Oh yeah, look. There go firecracker right there. Hey! I'm getting them. Yeah, y'all better get this mother big.
Jay, get that cane for me. There you go.
2 at the same time. But I couldn't catch the other one. They giving me a big thumbs up on this one. Hey, I think I gonna need one more. I got into 6 for this one. I'm gonna see ya. That looks like this is. Oh yeah, look. Good one. I caught that one that time. When I see them things going like, they go like. I know they coming somehow, some way. Someone comes over there. I wish the early ones they was over there. I ain't missing the early ones this time. Next. Oh yeah, look, there's one coming. Hey. Yeah. I do another one the next 4th of July. Probably be a big one. I don't know. I don't know what's heading for me, and I don't know what's coming out. Okay, that was just nothing. It's just like. Y'all hear that music, right? Please, one more, because I gotta end it quick. Oh, come on, hurry up. One more. I gotta end it. Oh, that's the ending today. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.